Hello everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn how to apply drop down and checkbox in the spreadsheet. So in this video I'm going to apply the drop down in this section with this last names of the people. Okay, so let's start. First select the area where you want to apply the drop down, then click on data validation, and then here you can see the option add rule. You select that, and here you can there's two way to get the drop down. First we can simply select drop down from a range, then select the range of the names and then click OK. So here you can see that you get the names here, and from this option you can select the color coding. So let me select here. All right, so by clicking on the done, we can see there is a drop down and with all the names in the drop down section. All right, and the second way is that you can select the drop down and write every value that you want manually. Okay, like if I write true, and on the other section if I write false, click on done. Here you can see the value changed to true and false. This is how you can apply drop down with two methods, manually or by selecting a range. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to apply the checkbox. So in this range I'm going to apply the checkbox. Simply click on data, select data validation, click add rule. Here you can see the checkbox option, click on it, and here you can check on the use custom values, and here you can select the values like true, like we can write selected, not selected. Let's just assume these people have given some example and we are checking if they are selected or not. Okay, so this is how you can write these values. Just simply click on done, and by clicking on the checkbox and on double clicking you can see the value is selected, and if it is not selected you can double click and see the person is not selected. So this is how you can apply the drop down and checkbox in the spreadsheet. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.